Hi, in today's video I'm going to be taking a look at websites that won't allow you to paste in your username and password. Now this is an issue I came across with this website, which is for Newcastle United, and you have to sign up so that you can watch the friendly matches. Now if I come across to the login page, what the issue is both of these fields won't allow you to paste into them. So if you've got a long password, it's a real pain because you have to manually type it out and you can't actually see what the password is as you're typing it in. So, for instance, if I just copy the word exclusive here and come across and try and paste it in to either of these fields, you'll notice nothing happens. Now, if I right click on this text field and select inspect to bring up the inspector here, so this is selecting this field here. Now if I scroll across a bit, what you'll notice is there's an onpaste function here, onpaste return false. So basically what we need to do is just change that to true and press return, and now you'll see I can actually paste into that text field. So what I want to do is do the same thing for the password. So same thing, inspect it, come across and look for onpaste, change false to true, press return, and you'll be able to paste in your password. So that's something that was really irritating me when I went to go and watch the football match. Was I'd signed up the other day and forgotten that you couldn't paste your username and password in for some reason. And I always generate really long passwords, so it was a real pain to have to type in a 24, 36, 52 character password manually. So I inspected the text fields and noticed all these things that were disabled for some reason, and simply by changing the onpaste return from false to true will allow you to paste into those text fields. So that's just a general note on websites that won't allow you to paste into text fields because they've disabled them for some reason. And it was specific to nufc.co.uk, which is a Newcastle website. And as I said, I was watching this game, which was actually turned out to be really dull. Newcastle versus Rayo Valenciano, and you have to basically sign up and then log in. And as I said, by default, if I refresh the page, you can't paste. So just right click on it, inspect it, come across, just have a look for the on paste section, on drag, on drop, on paste. Select it, true, press return, and you'll be able to paste in your username and password. So that's just a quick tip, and I've got no idea why this website would actually disable pasting into text fields for your username and password. I guess maybe that would also disable it, would stop it working with password managers, things like 1Password or any open source alternative. So really weird why this website would disable pasting in username and password, because it basically means people would use insecure passwords rather than pasting in a more secure one, or using a password manager. So that's just a quick tip. If you ever come across this issue with any other websites, this is the only one I've ever come across that does that. So I just thought I'd mention it in case you've come across a similar issue. So that's all for now. And as I say, all you need to do, right click, inspect, change onpaste return from false to true, and you're good to go.